Alright guys, today we're looking at adding and subtracting complex numbers. There's rules for addition and subtraction. If we're adding two complex numbers, which this would be considered one complex number and this is the second, we would simply match up the first terms, so A and C, those would be added, and then B and DI would be added separately, and we keep I at the end. If we're subtracting, we need to remember that we have to distribute this subtraction sign. So this would become A plus BI minus C minus DI. Again, we're going to subtract the first two terms and combine them with the subtraction of the second two terms. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. So with these examples, we're going to add and subtract our complex numbers and write answers in the form A plus BI because this is the proper way to write a complex number. So we have in the first example 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 5i. Again, I'm just going to match up my pieces. 2 and 4 are the first piece of each term, so we're going to add those numbers. Then we're going to add our 3i and our 5i, so 3 plus 5i. Okay, that is how we separate those pieces. So this is going to become 6 plus 8i. In our next example, I have 5i minus 1 plus I. I need to remember to distribute this negative. So this will become 5i minus 1 minus I. And again, all I'm going to do is match up my pieces. I do have a negative 1 that needs to come out in front. Then I have a positive 5i and a negative I. Norman, hey, stop. So what I'm going to do is just combine those like terms. 5i minus 1i is going to be 4i. So I have negative 1 plus 4i. All right. In the third example, again, I need to distribute this negative to this negative 6. So I have negative 3 minus 7i plus 6. All I need to do is combine my like terms, which are negative 3 and positive 6. The negative 7i is not a like term. So I'm going to have negative 3 plus 6, that's positive 3 minus 7i. And in my last problem, again, I distribute the negative to both of those pieces. I have 8 minus 3i minus 2 plus I. All I'm doing is combining like terms. I'm going to have 8 minus 2 and negative 3i plus I. 8 minus 2 is 6, and negative 3i plus 1i is going to be negative 2i. And this is how you add or subtract complex numbers. Have a great day, guys.